Should be. We on?
Oh,
Wait.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's coming.
All good.
Good luck.
She's a bit of a doozy.
Yeah.
Remember, rear out. See how it digs maybe a few numbers too here just to get it around. Come closer, closer, closer. Yep, move. Come back a bit then. Bit more, here. Yep.
Taking the top straps off and everything.
Yeah, yeah, they're all wrong.
Yep.
Right? 1, 2, 3, go.
Come in. Dig. Get in there. Keep going, keep going. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's get, dude, quick, come on, we gotta go. Keep going, keep going, keep going, go on, keep going. Right. Dig, dig, dig. Dig, dig. Right over, 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 right over. Right over, right more. Yep. Right, let's go. Driver. Hard. Hard, 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 hard. Get back and full drive. Ah. Got it, mate. Fuck. Hard. That's it, that's it. That's it. Fuck. Yep. Sorry, man, I wasn't looking. Yeah. High, 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 high. Rear locker, mate. Rear locker. Yeah, that's all right. Yeah, I don't think it was. Boost up. Turn down towards me now. Nice and steady now, man. Nice and steady. To me, drive, passenger, driver, sorry, hard. Keep going. We might have to take a reverse here, man. Just, don't know. Just see how it goes. All right, yep, that's it. This is going to feel, this way, boo, stop. I've got to look on a rock. There's nothing. Absolute nothing. Not going to help, but yeah, all right. Steady, very steady, very steady. Very steady. All right, rear's gonna start coming up again. All right, woo, stop. Fuck, I hope I haven't dipped you out in the rear, out the front diff. All right, just slowly. Slowly, man. Suck in, you suck the winches in, Front, right in, front. Down, yep, keep going. All right. Slowly, little, yep. Slowly. No, we're right. Just slowly. Slow, just slow, man. Very slow. The front's just about to drop in a hole even more, so it's gonna get even a bit worse. No, don't say that. Hard. Yep. All right, back the other way. Just straight, go straight, a little bit more straight. Straighten up. Yep. Hard that way, hard. Wait, just wait. Yeah, we just got it. All right, that's sweet, we missed it. Same, yeah, real wide. Yep, that's it. Yep. Down the middle, remember, we're going down the middle. If you have to, we'll dig here. Keep going, keep coming. Come a bit more. Yep, drive, full drive. Yeah, that's it, hard if you can. Yep. We should have maybe dug a bit more. All right, that's the line. So yeah, man, it's gonna not feel pretty, but anyway, try and see how the old go goes. Yeah, beautiful. Keep going. Beautiful. No, stay hard. Dig, front. Dig, rear lock her out. Stop, dig, woo, go right back. You nearly got funny. Hard to the driver, passenger, yep, hard, go. We're swapping that core pack out. Put it in neutral and give it a clear it. Right. Right back, as far as we can just keep going. No, it's alright, You'll get that, you'll cop this. Nice and... Alright, once you get the front up, we're going to berm again. Keep going. Right, I don't know if it's going to dig there. Let's try and dig front again. Dig. You're still in full drive, man. Nah, it's not doing anything. Back out. The disconnect's not working, I don't think. You're going to have to go reverse. Passenger down hard and reverse. Hopefully we don't get bound up under this rock at the rear, your rear. Hard, yep. Work the front wheel if you have to. Just wait, I'm gonna have to stack you. Sorry, man. I'll go to the right hand front. I've got a good one in there. If it bites on that, we're happy. Actually, go turn hard. Right, turn back on that rock. All right. Reverse at that. Yep. call it? We just dug holes, that's all. Fuck, sorry, man. You just went too far forward.
Call it.
Fuck. What's that? I've called it out. I'll just go down, boys. Oh, I just rolled too far. It was supposed to be digging, it drove the rear forward, not...
Yeah. Had a lot of people get tyres caught up in there.
Well, that's what we're trying to get away.
Oh, yeah.
It's a fucking...
It's a catch-22, isn't it?
Yeah, I just wanted to like stop the front here and just try and let it dig. I should have put a rock under that tyre and made it work. But it kept driving that wheel with the locker. Did you go forward, like... I just didn't see the car work. Bugger. What do we get, boys?
20...
A cone, the stick we ran over. Rumlux.
Always sounds good, that one, eh?
Should for the motor they've got in it.
That's it.
I don't know, that.
Yeah, I don't know if they heard
Sounds ready.
Yeah, I'd say it'd be a Chevy.
Yeah, I think it's just a 5 litre straight down to 355 or something like that. With the head work and stuff like that.
High man manifold.
Yeah, saw that. Where did Rumlux get to yesterday? It was like the 10 or...
Yeah, and lunched it, didn't he?
Yeah.
Fucking oath, yeah, got some pictures of his control arms. They were like fucking bananas. Same colour as well.
Ah,
That was the rear.
Lovely.
Yeah. There you go.
Oh, GoPros too.